Tonight, this country club in Cornelius is shut down and staff has spent the weekend cleaning it because several members tested positive for coronavirus, according to an email sent to members. Good evening and thanks for joining us. I'm Genevieve Curtis.
And I'm Phil Orban. We're talking about a lot of people potentially exposed. Cases were traced to the golf course, restaurants, the pool, the tennis courts, all that according to that email. This is all the Peninsula Club off Jeton Road. Channel 9's Aaron Edwards is live there tonight. Aaron, you got that message that was sent to those members.
Yeah, Phil, and North Carolina is reporting another day of over 1,000 new coronavirus cases, and some of those cases apparently came from the Peninsula Club here. We received a letter that went out to members saying the club will be shutting down for a couple days. In a letter to members, the Peninsula Club president wrote that the club was notified about, quote, several additional confirmed positive COVID-19 cases within the membership. It goes on to say those members have been to the pool, tennis, golf areas, and restaurants within the club. The letter also says they will be closed today and tomorrow to sanitize. One nearby resident we spoke with questioned whether that was enough.
I feel like maybe there should be a 14-day quarantine for that area since reported cases were found there.
The club president also wrote that they called a meeting of club staff to inform the employees of the positive cases and the possibility of exposure. It went on to say, quote, unfortunately, more than half of the staff walked away, deciding not to work for the next few days. These employees were uncomfortable with the situation.
I was really just upset reading, unfortunately. Why is that unfortunate? I think that's great that they're able to say, I really don't feel comfortable.
As coronavirus cases continue to climb in North Carolina, people we spoke to today say they're hoping both businesses and residents start social distancing more. Doctors say one of the main reasons for this spike is that fewer people are keeping their distance. Mecklenburg County has been using a platform from the University of Maryland to track social distancing data and found it's declining.
And hopefully the numbers can go down again and we won't have to go backwards.
We did reach out to the management at the Peninsula Club, but we're still waiting to hear back. Phil?
Yeah, things going in the wrong direction. Aaron, thank you. And as you just heard, North Carolina continues to see a high volume of new cases. Today, the state announced 1,443 more people tested positive for the virus. About 14,000 tests were done, making the percentage of tests that came back positive just over 10%. The number of people hospitalized in the state was down slightly to 798. In South Carolina, there were 799 new cases. More than 13% of tests came back positive, and hospitalization stayed about the same, with 521 people being treated. Doctors say one of the main reasons for the spikes is that fewer people are social distancing. We saw that ourselves in South End last night. Lots of people were out in groups and only a handful wearing masks. Mecklenburg County reported social distancing is at a 3-month low right now, and as Aaron said, that came from mobility data tracked with a platform developed by the University of Maryland.
Atrium Health will now allow more visitors at hospitals and doctors' offices starting tomorrow. Hospital patients can have one visitor. They have to wear a mask and they'll have their temperature checked. Visiting hours are from 8 a.m. until 8 p.m. Patients in doctors' offices can have one visitor for support. There are exceptions, though, for high-risk patients like people with coronavirus symptoms. Novant backed off of some of its restrictions last week. You can now have one person when you come in. There's no limit for visiting hours for people in critical care and for surgery. At Novant clinics, you can have one person with you if the patient is a child or a senior. There are also some exceptions, so you need to call ahead and check.